Welcome to Sport Yoga. Congratulations on your decision to learn, explore, discover, and apply our distance learning program. This unique program will create a foundation and understanding of sport yoga, along with concepts and perceptions of movement that will be of advantage in everyday life. Since you have made the choice of continuing education with this program, you and many others will benefit. Sport yoga represents a paradigm of movement leadership, somatic longevity, and mental flexibility. After completing this program, you will confidently be able to safely and effectively guide others in sport yoga. So, how excited do you already know you are? My name is Aubrey Pohl, and I am here to guide you through this educational journey, one that will enhance your own movement experience and bring you an opportunity to help others enhance their movement experience as well. It starts now. Before you start really flowing through this course, take a moment and tune into gratitude and thank yourself for the gift of knowledge you have made the decision to give yourself. Sport yoga is more than just a certification. It is a journey of introspection, creativity, and growth. You aren't just here to learn some postures to teach. You could be here to expand your understanding of movement, or develop as a leader, or learn how to create an intentional class. In fact, your first elaboration fun sheet, not worksheet, exercise is to write a list of 10 outcomes that you have for this course. The purpose of writing a list of outcomes first, it's quite helpful because if you start with your why you are doing this, you can begin to direct your neural pathways towards those goals and fulfill them. Task your brain on what you want to achieve so you can remain focused throughout the course. What do you want to get out of sport yoga? What are your goals, ambitions, desires, and hopes for this educational opportunity? Whatever answers you think of are going to be the perfect answers for you, and I am honored to help you work towards those outcomes.